Conrad, careful, what are you doing? Have you learned how to get off the couch by yourself? Sort of? Boop! That's not really how you do it. Should we try again? You know how to do it. Safer than that. Let's try again. Let's put you over here. No, you're going the wrong way. That's not the right way to do it. That's not the right way. Oh, that's pretty good. Good job, buddy. Conrad. Conrad Thomas. Hi. Say hi, Mama. Conrad. 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 Say hi, Mama.